In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Taobao. Start by opening your browser and heading to taobao.com. If the page appears in Chinese, you can right-click and choose Translate to English in Chrome to make browsing easier. It's optional, but it helps you understand menus, buttons, and product descriptions as you go. Next, log into your Taobao account by clicking the Donglu button in the top right corner. You can sign in with your password, scan a QR code using the Taobao app, or use SMS login if you have a China mobile number. Once you're in, you can translate the page again if needed so everything remains readable. To find what you need, use the search bar at the top and type keywords like shoes, phone case, room decor, bags, keyboard, or toys. If you have a picture of what you want, click the camera icon to upload it. Taobao will find visually similar products for you, which is handy for matching styles or finding a better price. When results load, refine them using filters on the left. You can narrow by price range, sales volume, free shipping, cross-border shipping, brand, and category. Filters save time and help you surface listings with better track records. Before you buy, open a product page and review the details closely. Look at seller ratings. Diamonds and crowns indicate established, trusted stores, while hearts suggest you should be more cautious. Check monthly sales. Higher numbers often mean safer picks. Read buyer reviews and look for real photos or videos to verify quality. And be wary of prices that seem too good to be true. Scroll to the shipping section to confirm availability. You'll want to see supports consolidated shipping, ships overseas, or address options that include a PH warehouse. If consolidation is supported, you can safely ship to the Philippines via a forwarding warehouse. Choose your product variations, such as size, color, style, and quantity. These selections are required before you can add the item to your cart. When you're ready, click Jarugu Wuche to add it. You can keep browsing or head to your cart anytime using the cart icon in the top right corner to review your selections. Proceed to checkout by selecting the items and clicking GS1. On the checkout page, confirm your delivery address, set it to your PH consolidation warehouse, choose a payment option, and review the final price in RMB, also known as CNY. Pay through Alipay. If your Alipay is already set up, you can use a linked card or your balance. If not, Taobao will guide you to link Alipay and add a payment method, and foreign cards usually work. After payment, track updates under My Taobao, bought items. When your parcels reach the PH consolidation warehouse, combine them, pay for international shipping, and choose air or sea delivery. That's it. You're all set to shop on Taobao with confidence.